Hello friends, இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம 8th standard worksheet 11 English phrasal verb and homonyms unit 4 பார்க்கலாம். ஏற்கனவே வீடியோஸில் worksheet 10 வரைக்கும் போட்டாச்சு. இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம worksheet 11 and worksheet 12 கவர் பண்ணிடலாம். First one, fill in the blank with appropriate phrasal verb. The plane took off. Option B, took off at 5 o'clock yesterday. Second one, fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Someone has gone through this route, R-O-U-T-E, recently. Third, pick out the phrasal verb that means stop trying, give up, option B. The meaning of the phrasal verb black out is fall unconscious. Frame a sentence using the given phrasal verb. So, இதுக்கு நம்ம எழுதலாம் she had blackout and couldn't remember anything after the accident. Next, complete the conversation with the phrasal verb from the box in the correct form. You are arriving in Rome next Friday, right? Yes, that's right. I'll pick up you if you like. Pick up. That would be lovely. What time does your plane get in the airport? See, hang on. I'll just check on the ticket. It arrives at 20:45. Okay, if I set off at about 8 p.m., I'll be there on time. Next one, sixth. Solve any one of the phrasal verbs and frame a sentence of your own. Put down. So, இது ரெண்டில் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு phrasal verb வச்சு ஒரு sentence frame பண்ணும். ஸோ நான் கிக் ஆஃபில் ஃப்ரேம் பண்ண போகிறேன். Just kick off all the problems in your life. Okay, that's it. Next, seventh one, solve the homonym puzzle using the clues and word box. Okay, first one, Alex is my son, S-O-N. So இதை எழுதிக்கலாம். First one, son. Acrossல அதனால S-O-N. I dash like to eat ice cream. Wood. இங்கே இருக்கிற இந்த wood. இதையும் எழுதிக்கலாம். Second one, W-O-U-L-D. I would like to. Okay, next, beginning of salutation in a letter. So beginning of salutation வந்து dear அப்படின்னு தான் ஆரம்பிப்போம். Third one. So third one, where is it? Dear. D-E-A-R. Okay. Next, fourth, more than one அப்படின்னா some, S-O-M-E. Some. So இது வந்து fourth one, some. Okay. Next, downல it shines bright in the sky, S-U-N, sun. That's it. Next, dash a letter to him. I dash a letter to him. I write, W-R-I-T-E. Second one, W-R-I-T-E. Next, third, is this the dash one or wrong one? Is this the R-I-G-H-T? Right one. So இது வந்து third. Fifth one down, R-I-G-H-T. Okay. Next, six, dash is obtained from T, W-O-O-D. Wood is obtained from T. Sixth one. WOOD. Next, the lion chases the deer, DER, deer. Adding two numbers gives this sum. Okay, 7 வந்து deer, 8th one வந்து sum. That's it. Okay, pick out the suitable phrasal verbs from the clue box and replace the underlined words. Okay, இந்த underlined wordsக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம கரெக்டாக எழுதணும். அதாவது நீங்கள் இங்கே எழுதிக்கோங்க, நான் ஜஸ்ட் இதுக்கு என்ன வரும் இந்த இடத்துல ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி எதை எழுதுறதுன்னு மட்டும் சொல்லிடுறேன். ஹிஸ் கிராண்ட்ஃபாதர் டேஷ் சடன் டைடுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம பாஸ்ட் அவேன்னு எழுதலாம். ஸோ பாஸ்ட் அவே வந்து இந்த இடத்துல ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஏ. நெக்ஸ்ட் பாஸ்ட் அவே. Next, all the brothers and sisters have good relationship with each other. Relationshipக்கு பதிலாக get alongனு எழுதிக்கலாம். என்னட்டு எழுதுறதுனா all brothers and sisters get along well with each other. 9th one, fill in the blanks using phrasal verbs given in the box. Somu is a farmer and he has to wake up. Sorry, get up. Get up early in the morning. He helps his wife to clean up his house before he leaves to the farm. Though his friends gave up farming, Somu never thought of giving up farming. His wife asked him to have his breakfast, but he asked her to hang on for a while. Okay, அவ்வளோதான். 10th one, frame sentence for each of the following homonyms. Idle. So idle, she sits idle the whole day. Doing nothing. Okay, next one, idle. ஸோ இங்கே எழுதலாம், என்ன எழுதலாம்னா people in India worship idols. Okay, next worksheet 12 tenses unit 5. Okay, first one, underline the verbs in the sentence and state the tense. I shall have completed my assignment by afternoon. So completed இதுதான் verb and இந்த verbுக்கான இது வந்து future because I shall have அப்படின்ட்டு இருக்கு. So future tense. I have thrown a party this evening. Thrown, so is a verb and tense வந்து past. Next, choose the appropriate tense from the letter was posted yesterday, B. Next, write the past perfect continuous tense form of each present tense verb listed below. Play. The kids were playing till dawn. Okay, next, rain. It was raining heavily yesterday. Okay, next, tick the sentence with appropriate tense form. She was a tolerant person. Mother did not went to the market. I playing football. So இதில் கரெக்டானது A. Change the following sentence into past perfect tense. They have finished their work. ஸோ இதை நம்ம past perfect tenseக்கு நம்ம மாற்றணும். ஸோ இதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன எழுதலாம்னா they had finished their work. Next, 6th one, develop a story in simple past tense using the following clues. Crow, thirsty, pot, small stones, water. ஸோ நான் எழுதிக்க ஸ்டோரியை நீங்கள் அப்படியே எழுதுங்க. It was a hot summer's day. A thirsty crow flew into a village in search of water. He searched water everywhere but he couldn't find any water. Find any போட்டுக்கோங்க, any water வேணாம். After a long time he came across a farm. Under one of the trees on the farm was a pot of water. Happy that he found some water finally, he quickly moved towards the pot and looked inside. There was very little water in the pot. The crow put his beak inside the pot but could not reach the water. The water level was too low. He looked around and collected small stones and put them one by one in the pot. The water level started to rise and the crow drank the water happily. ஸோ இது வரைக்கும் இந்த ஸ்டோரி ஃபுல்லாகவே பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸில் தான் இருக்குது. இது அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் 7th one, fill in the following table appropriately. இது பாசிட்டிவ், இது நெகட்டிவ், இது இன்ட்ரோகேட்டிவ். ஸோ நம்ம இதை ஃபில் பண்ணலாம். A வந்து we sing, நெகட்டிவில் we don't sing. Next B, he was not there, was he there, இதெல்லாம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. He was there. Next C, they are not playing, they are playing. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து were they playing, question mark. Okay, that's it. Next, rewrite the paragraph using simple future tense. I walked to school yesterday. So simple future tense நாவே will தான் வரும். So I will இப்படி தான் ரீரைட் பண்ணணும் நான் இங்கே எழுதுகிற மாதிரி. I will walk to school every day. My friends Rihanna and Rani will accompany me. They will come to my house at 7 a.m. We will leave immediately. Our teacher joins us near the bus stop. Teacher will join us near the bus stop. Sometimes we will reach at 8 a.m. The school will start at 8:45 a.m. Okay, இப்படி தான் எழுதணும். Next one, frame a sentence in present perfect continuous tense. So present perfect continuous tense, அதுக்கு I have been studying the whole day. Okay, அவ்வளோதான். Next, 10th one, fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verbs given in the brackets. Suji dash every morning, jogs, இங்கே என்ன simple present. So jogs every morning and does yoga to keep herself fit. She dash her goal. இது வந்து future perfect. She will achieve her goal by next year. Okay, that's it. So next video la nama worksheet 13 பார்க்கலாம். Hope this video was useful. ஏதாச்சும் doubt இருந்தா கீழே comment பண்ணுங்க. Thank you friends.